What is up, everyone? Steve, When Geeks Collide, with you once again for another Marvel Legends unboxing slash review. Mostly just an unboxing of the Walgreens exclusive in the USA, EB Games exclusive Quasar figure here in Canada. So let's waste no time and let's get this bad boy open. Screeching tires. So yeah, here we go. Quasar. Nice artwork on the side. Donning a pair of quantum bands, Wendell Vaughn transforms into Quasar, the protector of the universe. Alright. Great artwork. Let's get him open. Love the background. Looks great. Some flame effects. We got some hands for flight. Okay, first of all, inside the cape looks really cool. Got stars and stuff. That's really cool. I actually owned Quasar #1. Oh, pinless arms. Some good stuff. Well, clearly reused, but looks great. I think if you pop his head off, look, we got a future Doc Samson. Let's check out the double knees, which do have pins. That's as far as it goes that way, and that's as far as it goes that way. You know, he's got the bands. I wonder if they come off. No, they feel like oh no, they come off. Yeah, just a basic. What is this? Can't even tell anymore. I don't know. It's definitely a buck we've seen before, but yeah, head sculpt looks pretty cool. But yeah, no, let's give it the 360 treatment, shall we? Yeah, so there you have it, Quasar. Honestly, I think this figure is great. Obviously, there's reuse. Head sculpt is great. I never even thought we'd get a Quasar. I should have, because, you know, for the 3 3/4 Marvel Universe, Marvel Legends, they made a Quasar, so maybe it was eventually, you know, gonna happen. But yeah, if I had to rank this, I'm going to give him an 8.5 out of 10. Looks great. Cape's great. Yeah, it's just a great figure. I think I get some really fun shots with this. And you'll see those on Multiverse Legends on Instagram. That's my figure photography page. And you can find us, as always, on Instagram, When Geeks Collide. Twitter, WGC Network. We're on Facebook.com/When Geeks Collide. Anchor.fm/WGC Network for When Geeks Collide proper podcasts. Total Van Damage, our tribute to Jean-Claude Van Damme. Multiverse Legends, the podcast where I mostly talk about Marvel Legends and DC Multiverse figures. And also, from time to time, we have From the Page to the Screen and NSW History 101, which is a monthly podcast. Yeah, please like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, thumbs down, you know, leave a comment, I'll respond. But yeah, no, I'm glad to have found this. I know a lot of people are having difficulty. They have not been able to find it yet. Up here, I've seen him all over the place. So for my friends to the south in the US of A, I'm sure he's going to be popping up very soon. But guys, this is Steve, the Bone Crusher, when geeks collide, and as always, geeks out.